What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and today we're gonna be watching another amazing video collection of a bunch of videos in cars. It's episode number 147, and now with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this now, shall we? Alrighty, here we have a one very tired Mustang. He was at a car meet hunting for some crowds. Battle scarred but not out. He will try again tomorrow. Oh, what is this? A nice Audi Q7 with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson tires. If you know what I mean. Honey, I'm home. Wait a goddamn minute, this ain't my house. He was probably wondering who the hell moved my driveway. Dun 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 dun, you may kiss the bride. And they live happily ever after. And what do we have here? Looks like our Mustang got some upgrades. I hear the final boss music. Bro had it off. We made a lot of Mustang jokes. And with this new upgrade he can hit twice as much crowds, so nobody's safe. Oh, looks like it's time for some power! Woo! I've never seen a wind burn out like that before. That sounded wrong, but anyways. Let's see here. They see me rolling. They see me dragging my boat. They hating. Why is he doing that? Nobody knows. But I like how casual he is about it. And now it looks like it's time once again to deploy some speed and power into a pole position. That's one for the books. Whoa, this is me in Euro Truck Sim. Speed, baby! He's overtaking everybody like there's a respawn. You know you're slow when the truck is overtaking you. But anyways, we are moving on. That dude goes on the outside, overtakes the red car, into a corner he goes, and booyah! He crashed. But it looks like it's not over yet, and booyah! Once again into a guardrail he goes. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Whoa, 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 dude. That's actually how the tires are born. That was a car in a wild giving birth to a tire. Oh, here we have an Audi ready to unleash all the angry German horsepower. Come on, power! Bro paid for the whole speedometer and he's gonna use it, of course. Even the car is like, yo bro, chill, we're not on a racetrack. He's now doing about 200 kilometers per hour. Now it's around 250. And he's still going, slow down, bro. You're running out of speedometer. No! That's not going well. Bro got carried away a little bit. But anyways, if you're a sophisticated gentleman who wants a luxury car with some off-road capabilities, this is the car for you. Mercedes S-Class Off-Road Edition. And this guy is like, driving on 3 wheels because the 4th wheel is too overrated. Let's see here, we are now on British roads. Oh hell no, no. You have to know when to pull out. In every area in your life. Oh, here's an angry biker. What the heck? What? Is that car driven by a Snoop Dogg? What is going on here? Oh, he hit a biker. Ooh. He was lucky, 100%. Oh no, brace! Ooh, this is how you make 2 truck trailers from 1. Luckily the train managed to slow down quite a bit and everybody was okay. Let's see, what do we have here? No stop signs. Whoa, Dodge Dart. More like Dodge Fart. That car looks like a Charger from AliExpress. Let's see here. Power and yeah. Sick 180 though. But it's all good, no biggie. Attention, a lawnmower with a bad driver in it is ahead of you. Be careful. Warning. If you listen closely, you can hear his genius. And of course he's gonna run away like a little... Anyways, when I see you again. Oh. Almost better than the original scene. And he just left it there. Wow, amazing work. Oh no. Well, it's kinda hard not to see that big yellow truck, but whatever. And this driver here is like, everybody just go home, nothing to see here. I'm just trying to rearrange my house, nothing else, and my property. I'm gonna put one big gate here, and then I'm gonna remove this tree. I'm gonna cut this tree, and then I'm gonna go over there and put one little gate here. And I believe that's it. That should be fine. Oh, this area looks interesting. Where is this? Let me know in the comments. Meow. Move along, peasants. Speed and power is my middle name. I have places to be. On to the next one we go. Whoa, that was almost well parked. 8 out of 10. Let me try again. Let me try again, officer. Let me try again. And that's the one. That's the one. 10 out of 10 right there. Perfect parking. Oh no, it's the Prius. The car we love the most, right? Whoa! You always have to be careful around the Prius. You never know what the Prius is gonna do. It's unpredictable sometimes. But anyway, whoa. And the cop is like, oh yeah, I'm a cop. Whip whip. He was like, someone quick, call the police. Oh, I am the police actually. Ooh, you ain't winning that battle, mate. Or should I call you a dingleberry? Because you can hear those sirens in another city. And here she still didn't manage to hear those. Whoa. Bro was rolling so much he turned into a tornado. Damn, bro. Oh. Someone wasn't paying attention. He was probably watching how to drive videos. And a wild BMW attacks. Boom. But he was indicating though. Which is a miracle in itself. And now we are cruising into the night. Everything is nice and the UK driver appears. Bro got confused a little bit. Some people just know how to be a dingleberry. Simple as that. Moving on to the next one. That was a clean red. That light couldn't be more red. That was ridiculous. And into a parking lot we go. This is gonna be interesting probably. Booyah! And his name is John Cena. You saw him and he saw you, but you both decided not to do anything. Just like this guy here. He was like, I'm pulling out, good luck everybody. Looks like he forgot his brain at home. Whoa, 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 and it's another pole position. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching and for the overwhelming support. It really means a lot to me. I hope you enjoyed today, and if you did, please smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. And yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.